Okay, this is the hot water heater that was, they're supposed to raise it off the ground by 18 inches, but they failed to do that because they said they didn't need to, which is fine. They finally got this collection thing underneath here, but it's only connected to this little white thing, and it just shoots out into the floor of the house. And your overflow valve is also just going into the little pan there, and it goes into the house. I don't think this is safe, and I don't know if it'll pass FHA standards.